wind in your face? Well, let me introduce myself. I'm Wilbur Wright. My family and I have moved a lot to different states in America, like Ohio, Iowa, and Indiana. My mom let me do my mom let me do experiments in the house with my brother. My brother made a newspaper company with Ed. My dad brought a new toy from work. It was a toy helicopter that was made from bamboo and a paper propeller. When I was older, I had a printing company with Ed in Orville. Then we fixed and sold bikes. I got my idea to make planes from the toy that I got from my dad. In flying, we made a new machine called the airplane, but there was a machine back then that was called a glider. We went to Kitty Hawk, North Carolina to test our plane. There was a family called the Tate family that let us stay with them. The first flight flew 12 seconds and 100 feet, and my brother was the pilot of the plane. After the first flight, we had to go back to Ohio because our plane was broken. We went back to North Carolina for the second test. Once we improved the plane, we stayed at the Tate's house again. The airplane failed twice in Kitty Hawk, and on the fourth time, the plane flew for 59 seconds. Our first airplane sold for $25,000. We worked for a French company making planes. In 1903, I went to Europe, and my brother went to Washington, D.C. I was a celebrity in France for building airplanes. I trained pilots, met generals and princes and millionaires. When I arrived back home, they had parades and medals and fireworks in my honor. I passed away on May 30th, 1912. My uncle Curtis Wright is still in the plane business today. Our glider, the Kitty Hawk, is suspended from the central at the Smithsonian Museum in D.C. My life was awesome because I got to build airplanes and I got to fly them. Thank you.